Read with me. Why do we differentiate? Because it finds the gradient of the tangent to a curve at a particular point. All good. Okay. What is differentiation? Together?
Find the gradient of the tangent to a curve at a particular point.
Good. So when we find the gradient of a tangent at a particular point, it is?
Differentiation.
Very good. Thank you, James. Well done. All right. So read with me. The equation of a line. Y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. All right. What is the equation of a line? Excellent. So y minus y1 equals mx minus x1 is the equation of a line. Very good. Okay, so a reminder that the y1 is the y value, the m is the gradient, and the x1 is the x value. Okay. All right. On your whiteboard, write the formula for the equation of a line. So write it down, and then I'll ask you to chin it. So keep it hidden so only you can see it. Yep, so hold it down. All right, chin it. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Don't put your chin on it, Corey. Thank you. All right, so well done. Okay, so just in case you can't read what's on there, so I'm going to do this one. I'll do it on my. I'll do it on my whiteboard. Okay. All right. So if we want to find the equation of a, okay. So if we want to find the equation of a tangent to a curve, we differentiate to find y dash. So these are the steps. All right. So I have y equals, now you can either write this on your whiteboard or you can notate, so just watch as I do, or you can put it on your sheet because there's room on your sheet to do this, okay? But wait until I do it. So we find y dash, so y equals x squared plus 3 plus 3x. So I differentiate to get 2x plus 3. What do I differentiate?
To find the thing.
Find the gradient of a tangent. Particular point. Okay. All right. So step 2, I substitute in the value of x to find the gradient of the tangent. So the value of x is 0.14. So when x equals 1, y dash equals 2 times 1 plus 3. And instead of now writing y dash, I'm going to write the gradient of the tangent equals to 5. Okay? Step 3, so that's the gradient of the tangent. Step 3, substitute into the equation of a line to find the equation of the tangent. So, y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Y minus, the y value is 4, equals 5x minus, the x value is 1. And then I can expand the brackets and get the y equals. So y minus 4 equals 5x minus 5, y equals 5x minus 1. So I add the 4. Alright, so I've got an I do. The next one we'll do together. So we'll still do it on the board, but together. Okay, so we've got find the equation of a tangent to the curve y equals x cubed plus 3. Okay, all right, so we'll do it together. So rather than taking things down, Nikia, what's the first step?
We have to differentiate.
Okay, so if I differentiate this, I get, please?
3x squared.
3x squared, good. Okay, step 2, Alec, what's step 2? What's step 2?
Substitute the x in.
Substitute the x in, and what's the x in this case?
Minus 1.
is minus 1. So I'm going to sub in, so when x equals minus 1, y dash equals 3 times minus 1 squared. So what am I going to get when I do 3 times minus 1 squared?
Minus 9.
When x equals 1.
When x equals minus 1, I'm going to get 3, because minus 1 squared is 1, 3 times that is 3. Sorry, I'm telling you the point on here,
I
okay?
just forgot to make the minus 1 the delta.
Oh, I did too, sorry.
That's what I was saying.
Okay, so when x is minus 1, alright? Tabitha, final step.
Substitute the y and the x and that number.
And the gradient,
Into
Yep.
the line formula,
which is?
which is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1.
Excellent. So in place of y1, I'm going to put the 2. In place of the gradient, I'll put the 3. And remember, a minus and a plus make a minus and a minus make a plus. So that becomes x1. So I get y minus 2 equals 3x plus 3. Y equals 3x plus 5. Okay? So we continue along that. Alright, so that's we do. So the final step is for you to do. You can choose. So the first one is so it goes in levels. Alright, so if you are confident, then you do the final one. Okay, so the one in the red box. If you're sort of mediocre, you do the one in the orange. If you just want to make sure you've got an understanding, then you do the one in the green. We're doing one each. Okay, if you get through it quick enough, then you can have a crack at a second.